Greater than is this a good idea? Definitely. This is the grandfather of the modern SUV and is now on the verge of classic status.
It's a practical, genre-defining vehicle that offers 95% of the ability of a Defender at less than half the cost, with double the comfort.
Values of the remaining good ones will rise sharply in the future.
Savvy buyers are snapping up G&H registration examples, and early 3-door V8s are ideal for restoring.
Greater than how much?
From pound 1K pound 5K.
Buy on condition and history, and avoid those modified for off-road action and LPG conversions.
A late 5-door S-Spec V8 will have leather, aircon and ABS. A brilliant winter or station car for around £3,000.
And the 86G Walk pre-production launch cars are gilt-edged future classics, with Range Rover equivalents now at around £75,000.
Greater than what's going to break?
Look for rust, and then some more rust.
Rear floors are notorious, as are rear wheel arches, front inner wings, and sunroofs. The powertrain is very robust, but don't accept a car without evidence of regular maintenance. Once they go, they can be very expensive to get back.
Greater than crippling running costs?
There is a whole industry supplying LR parts, but quality varies and the cheapest parts are rarely the best.
Most maintenance can be done at home and a full kit of decent service parts is around £120.
Budgeted on £200 for a minor service, and £500 for a major service. Insurance is very reasonable as well.
Range Rover L322, £6K, £15K, 2002 to 2012. 4394cc V8, 306 bhp, 8.3 seconds 0 to 62 miles per hour, 125 miles per hour. Greater than is this a good idea?
Combines BMW tech and reliability with Land Rover capability.
Peerless towing ability. Effortlessly superior. Greater than how much?
From £6,000 to £15,000. Go for a V8 petrol with few owners and you'll have a long and happy relationship.
Greater than what's going to break?
Surprisingly little.
Avoid the lethargic TD6 with its weak gearboxes. High mileage TD V8 SE Ether turbos.
Go for Jaguar rather than BMW power.
Bodies are very rust resistant.
Greater than crippling running costs?
Expect 18 miles per gallon from petrol V8.
Budget £250 for a minor service, £600 for a big one. Defender 50th anniversary, £15 £30K, 1998 to 1999.
3947cc V8, 190 bhp, 10.0 seconds 0 to 62 miles per hour, 100 miles per hour.
Greater than, is this a good idea?
Prices are rising, but they will stabilize, so don't pay silly money. The 50th anniversary has character, an auto box, rarity in a V8.
It's a nailed-on classic.
Greater than how much?
Pay £15,000 for a decent one, keep it tidy and standard, and watch it creep up in value.
Best ones are now £30,000.
Greater than what's going to break?
The chassis will deteriorate without attention.
The Autobox is a regular Land Rover unit, and the 4.0 V8 is robust and reliable.
Some trim parts are now hard to find.
Greater than crippling running costs?
Don't expect more than 15 miles per gallon.
Iffy security makes them easy to steal, so insurance can be expensive.
£200/£500 for services.